It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. I'm sure you landed on this video because you love interior design. When folks sign up to work with a designer, one of the questions that trips them up is, what's your design style? Well, here's some tips to help you figure out your design style. Number one, go online and look through some of the top sites for images. House.com, Pinterest, Instagram. Number two, search for some of the popular design styles to give you an idea of what you might like, such as boho, mid-century modern, modern industrial, Afro boho, farmhouse, Hollywood Regency, coastal, eclectic. Number three, of course, look through those different design styles and create a folder. Just capture images that really speak to you. You're drawn to them. Then walk away. Don't keep looking at them. After a couple of days, come back and pull out your top 5 pictures, non-negotiable. Once you have that in hand, you're then ready to share that with a professional, a design stylist, an interior designer, and have a conversation about your design style. Trust me, you can do it. You can figure out your design style. Drop a comment below. Let me know what project you're working on. I'd love to hear about it. Be sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss a single video. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.